Hi, welcome to the 1 Minute Challenge. Let's get started. So, where there's two notes in the middle of the piano, press the white note that's just to the left of it with your thumb. And press every other note going to the right. 3 notes, and that's your chord. Now your left hand only presses one note, and it's the same note as your thumb, but lower down to the left. Now to get your next chord, you move both hands over to the right slightly by one note. And for our final chord, we'll start where there's a group of 3 black notes, and again we'll press every other note. Now the final thing to learn is counting and timing. Let's count 4 beats when we play our first and second chord, and then count 8 beats before we play the final chord, like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Congratulations, you've just completed the piano challenge.